Plenty of people are cracking teeth today with the Gullah Geechee Nation and we lying and things like that. But even when they get to they just see all of the thing, then I know say, then I get to the line of the 40 acres and a mule, where William Tecumseh Sherman issued a shot, field order 15, after and done meet with them 20 preacher in Savannah, Georgia, January 12, 1865, when they ushered a shot, special field order and thing like that, for all abandoned rice field from the Choctaw down yonder to Mule Holland and thing like that, and Red was seen to the St. John River, for that line of thing for give out to we Fambril were vineyard at that time. And things like that, 100 now yet about called the Gullah Geechee. Yeah, chilla. If you look yonder, but how them been posted, broke off that line and things like that, know that she and this year that the line was no to the Gullah Geechee Nation for true, even though plenty of we ancestors them. The boy did and things like that. And you know what? They know like that 20 preacher who crack it teeth with shaman and let them know, but left we long and let we had a line. And we could carry on and take the shot stand. So we would work together upon the linebacker yonder and upon the children still a kind of the day. You see, we would still walk the line for the family, even according to heirs property. But come here to the line where we still the be to the Gullah Geechee Nation for see we.